Okay, let's talk about how I look at an X-ray, okay? The order in which I look at an X-ray. And it's not important that you follow the same order that I do, but I want you to develop some kind of approach and continue to use that approach every single time that you look at a study. So and that's true whether you're looking at X-rays or CTs or MRIs, okay? Um, if you use a systematic approach and you do it the same way each time, then it's less chance that you will miss something, okay? So for example, if I open up a chest X-ray and I see something very obvious, like a lung cancer, a big lung cancer in one of the lungs, I'm still going to try to follow my approach and only look at the lung cancer when I get to that part of the X-ray. Okay. So what I do, and again, it's not important that you follow my approach, is I start with the midline structure, so the trachea, and we'll look at all of these in detail. The trachea and the carina, the aorta right here, the pulmonary artery, then the heart, then the azygoesophageal recess, then the hilar right here, and then I look at the lungs themselves. So when I look at the lungs, I look at each lung individually. I zoom in with my mouse, I zoom in, and then I zoom out and I look at both lungs side to side because they should be about the same density and size.